Yes, hello guys, welcome to this video and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you one of the best, the high-paying affiliate marketing program that I have ever seen. Today, I was exploring different affiliate marketing programs which can be able to pay high amount of money, depends on the number of sales you have made or per single sale. And also, I have directly go to this affiliate marketing program which I'm going to be showing you. And also, you can get surprised to hear that this affiliate marketing program can be able to pay up to 1000 USD per single sale you have made or per one referral you have made to the services they are providing. Without wasting time, let's get started. So what we do, we're gonna be using our computer, or you can use your phone. Now we're gonna be exploring to the internet and visit this platform which is called WeShops. Once you type WeShops in your laptop, you're gonna be getting this platform called weshop.co, and this weshop.co, this is higher trained the virtual assistant, expert assistant. Also, you can see now they have different services they provide. What I do is you're gonna be clicking on this one. If I click on the weshop.co, is gonna be opening itself. So once it opens, I'm gonna be starting now showing you different services they provide, and among these services, they are the ones you're gonna be making affiliate marketing money from. So remember that the affiliate marketing jobs is always requiring you to work hard, because you're gonna be providing or you're gonna be promoting different services, products, and you're gonna be investing much effort to promote these services to be able to make such amount of money. Don't think that affiliate marketing is for free, or you can gonna be making it for free money. It is not possible to make free money in affiliate marketing. Even though you're gonna be having audience, you might be having maybe audience website, but you be having the big platforms, social media accounts, which you can be promoting your services, or to be able to refer some people to come and purchase those services. But you're gonna be investing much effort as well. You're not gonna be making money for free. You're gonna be investing such amount of effort, marketing those services, designing the promotions, designing the product to be able to promote them, and also ensuring that it can be appealing to the people, and also assuring that they can add the value to the customer who might get interested to purchase or to buy from the services you are providing to the individuals. As you can see, after hitting to the weshop.co, now what you do is to come here and see their product, the different products they can be able to provide to you, including, you can see there is virtual assistance product, there's a bookkeepers. You can be able to view the profiles of the individuals here. There is employee management applications. You can be able to download the application here. So there is also services they provide, which includes virtual assistant services, virtual personal assistant, virtual admin assistant. You can also inbox management, social media management, CRM management, QuickBooks, Zoho, MailChimp. These are the tools they have. They have to help you to use. There's also industries which is good, healthcare industries, startups, and e-commerce. You can scroll down and see calendar, bookkeeping, but there are more tools they have. There are more services they can provide to you. And also, if you're gonna be now working with this platform, or working with this affiliate marketing program, you're going to be also trying to learn and understand which kind of affiliate marketing program can be getting involved in, and also which one you can select to be able to proceed with doing affiliate marketing program, or being able to make money by doing affiliate marketing on this platform. So if we're going to be now going to the affiliate marketing program section, we have to scroll down and go to the bottom. We're going to be seeing, even though you want to be exploring the locations, you can be able to explore them, but I'm going to be now hitting that to the affiliate marketing section at the bottom of this website. If I click on the bottom of this website, you can see now I'm going to be hitting to the affiliate marketing section. You can see at the bottom there are different links, including affiliate marketing program, including the WeShop partners, also about that section, the virtual assistant, accountant, and the bookkeepers. But what I do is to click on this affiliate marketing program. So once I click on the affiliate marketing program, you can see it is going to be opening itself. So once it opens, You can see sign up today to earn to start earning hundreds of dollars if you're gonna be signing up. So that what I say. If you sign up today, you can be able to get started making money on this platform. That's what it said. So you can be able to read this and understand increasingly competitive business environment. There is growing demands for virtual assistants to help entrepreneurs and small business grow by managing all their tasks. You can profit from this high opportunity by also doing affiliate marketing with this platform or this affiliate marketing program. So what I do now, I'm gonna be scrolling down here. You can see now once I hit to this section, I will now supply to see that you can be able to earn this amount of money by doing affiliate marketing. For instance, if you see now, if you see here that you can be able to make, let's see that you can be able to make this amount of money. So let's see that you can see if you, for instance, you can see high earnings payout. You can see. Now let's see if you can be able to earn 1000 USD payout per virtual assistant. This is so amazing, and also you can imagine how much money you can be able to earn by doing this affiliate marketing. You can imagine how you can be able to earn such amount of money, or you can be able to imagine how you can be able to make 1000 USD per virtual assistant hired through you. It is one of the highest paying affiliate programs in the B2B industry or the business to business industry, because you're gonna be doing a business to business industry. So what does it mean here? If you're gonna be referring someone who need virtual assistant services, you can be able to get money or to be able to get paid such amount of money. You can imagine now that you're gonna be earning such amount of money. But if the person is gonna be coming to this platform and also get the virtual assistant services as well, he's gonna be also paying them amount of money, which is the one you're gonna be getting paid from, or where they will be taking a deduction from that money the person has paid, and also you get paid from there. As you can see, we shops offer now 100% support. The industry, no questions asked, the refund, replacement policy for your signups. There's also 19 days cookie section, which means person who already signed up to your account, you might be able to purchase or to buy any services through your account the whole 19 days. There is also, you can see also the bonuses. They provide a bonuses, and now you can see they can be able to provide bonus. You can see bonus and rewards, which have so far monthly in the quarterly bonuses and reward to the top performers of its affiliate marketing program. Win rewards such as you can be able to win rewards, iPhones, to pay the vacations when you become one affiliate marketer to them. There is also sources. There also is a dedicated support team. So you always have to understand everything here. Now here's how you can get started with them. There is it as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can get free consultation with them, and you can now click here on start earning referral. You can be able to pay this one for who signed up. Once they say sign up, don't misunderstood this, because only they say that if person is signed up to you or through your account, you're gonna be getting paid if a person has already purchased the services. Only signing up is now not enough, but you're gonna be having to understand how much or even person have already purchased the services. You can see now these are on some questions you can be able to read it through to understand the responses or the answers they have provided to this. And once you understood all this, you're gonna be making it ready. So now if you want to get started, these are the link you can be clicking to get started. Now you have to click here on start earning, and once we're going to start earning, you're going to be direct to the account sign up section or affiliates account sign up section, and you have to fill out all the information required. Once you are done with the filling out the information, you can see welcome to WeShop's affiliate program. Now here you have to fill out this, sign up here, first name, last name. So now you have to fill out your email address and the passwords, then you can go and sign up. You can even sign up choose sign up with the Google. It all depends on which one you're gonna be selecting to work through, or the account option you're gonna be using. Once you're done, also you have to read the terms and conditions and accept the terms and conditions. Then once you're done with your application, you have to wait for your application review, and also once you are accepted into the program, you can be able to get started promoting these services and also get paid once person has already purchased or has already bought some services through your account or through your referral account. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel TV. If you have any questions section, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to turn off the bell buttons so as you always get notified whenever we upload a new video here at Max David.